Hello guys, welcome back to an unboxing video. So I got a new Wi-Fi router here. It's Wi-Fi 7, Eero Pro 7. This is how it looks like in the front. Let's see it at the back. How it looks like, guys, at the back. Here's the router in the back of it. That's how it looks like. Two ports, the reset button and the plug power port here. And this is the front of the router. This is how it looks like. And yeah guys, let's unbox it. Hey guys, let's open it. So this is how it looks like, the box. And here's the router right here, guys. Let's get it. Alright, let me take this out. Alright guys, so here's the front. Here's the vents. And then here's the back. There is the two 5 gigabit ports. There's the USB for the power and the reset button. Let's go guys. This is how it looks like. Alright. And now let me show you guys what's in the box. So there's the power cord and then the internet cable. Alright guys, I will show you guys how it looks like when it sets up. Alright guys, here it is. It's on. This is how it looks like. There's the white line, solid white means it's on and running. And yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed the unboxing, drop a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.